In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a transparent background in Figma. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Creating a transparent background can be incredibly helpful for a variety of design projects, whether you're working on logos, icons, or any graphics requiring a clean, professional look. So let's dive into Figma and get started. First, you need to open your Figma project. If you don't have one yet, you can create a new file in Figma. Once you're in, make sure you have the design or element you want to work on. It's good practice to double-check that you're on the correct page or artboard. Having everything organized ensures you're ready to make those changes effectively. Next, let's make the background transparent. Click on the frame where your element is located. You can do this by selecting the frame from the Layers panel on the left side of the screen, or simply by clicking on it directly in your workspace. This step is crucial because the frame is what holds everything together, and any changes you make to it will affect the look of your design as a whole. Once you've selected the frame, look over to the right panel in Figma. You should see various options for styling, including a section labeled Fill. Click on that, and you'll notice a color box that represents the background color of your frame. Now, here comes the simple but important part. You'll see a slider below the color box. To make your background transparent, you want to adjust this slider. Drag it to the left side, moving it toward the 0 cent mark. As you do this, you'll see the background gradually become more transparent. Keep sliding until you achieve the desired level of transparency for your design. And just like that, your background is now transparent. You can check by clicking away from the frame or exporting it to see how it looks with other elements behind it. This tool is perfect for layering designs or for integrating your work into different environments, whether it's web projects or presentations. It's great to see how quick and easy it is to modify backgrounds in Figma. Plus, knowing how to create transparent backgrounds can greatly enhance your design skills, offering you more flexibility in your creative projects. If you're satisfied with the result, remember to save your work. Regularly saving ensures you don't lose any progress and keeps your edits organized. So to recap, we began by navigating to our Figma project, selected the frame that contained our elements, and adjusted the fill option to create a transparent background. That's all there is to it. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you find this technique helpful in your future design projects. Remember, if you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more design tips, tricks, and tutorials. Happy designing!